you know there's an app made for your Meta Quest 2 or 3 called Virtual Desktop, where you can browse the internet, listen to your music, change your environment, all in your Quest headset. I'll tell you how here on Tech Ops. So the first thing you want to do is go to vrdesktop.net and download the application appropriate for the system you use. Next, follow the on-screen instructions to begin the installation. Log in your username for Meta, where it states Oculus username. Mirror each option I have checked on screen here. Alright, what you want to do is go ahead and install Virtual Desktop here on the Oculus. From here, you should be able to establish a connection. Here it'll say connected. It should have your computer's local IP address here, your local name of your computer. All this should be here, along with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 options that you can choose. Of course, if you scroll up and do head lock, which will follow your head everywhere you go, or lock it like that. Keep it steady. Transparency, not sure what that does. I only think the streaming VR games is only possible in Windows 10. Unfortunately, I have a Mac, so I'm unable to do that. Here they give you some other directions that you can use. Little options such as pointer stabilization. I think that'll stop the pointer from actually going to the exact. I do see a difference here. Once I click it, the pointer is not like stabilized. Got hand tracking, press grip to resize screen. Can resize it easily like this or this. As you can see, I'm working on this video in Final Cut Pro, and I actually did some work within the within the virtual environment here. So it's just great to have. Here you have the input settings, latency options, screen brightness, microphone pass through here. Noise cancellations there as well. You have the keyboard anytime I want to type. Streaming videos here. I didn't put it on. That's dope. Yeah. So we're gonna do go live. Let's see if it's able to handle. And you can see the screen is kind of a little wobbly a little bit, just because we're gonna try the ultra. Okay. Man, there's any videos that I want to have. I don't think I have any downloaded movies that I can watch. You can watch them in here as well as stream them if you like. So, just great, man. I'm again able to do work here within there, and it's just a great tool. In conclusion, Virtual Desktop is a great app you can use in conjunction with your Meta Quest device to do things you like to do on your computer. Please note your internet connection determines the quality of mirrored content that displays in your Meta Quest device. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech videos in the future. Wow, that was amazing.